Hi, it's Dr. Manala Moshebi, and in this video, I will be unboxing two new items that I just got from my company, Oriflame. It's been a while I did this, right? But I just received a beautiful bag, and I love the bag so much. So, here it is. It's the Oriflame exclusive Stockholm, and the bag is the Opulence shoulder bag, right? So I'm going to be opening this right away. Ta-da! You see this? So gorgeous, so beautiful. I love this ivory color, so beautiful, sleek, right? And see the handle. Let's see this. Let's see this. So, see that? Gorgeous bag. I love it. So I just got this for my company. So beautiful, so pretty, ain't it? See packaging, original packaging, 5 and 6. So it's a shoulder bag, and I'm gonna rock this, right? And then the second item is an umbrella. So it's the raining season. I can assure you, we all need one umbrella, at least one umbrella in our bags, right? So I got this for my company. Yeah, got this beautiful umbrella for my company. Is the Mysa umbrella or Mysa umbrella. I don't know what's the pronunciation. MYSA, Mysa. All right, so yeah, you see that? I love the color. So blue, we have pink, we have orange, we have brown. It's like a rainbow kind of umbrella, right? So that's it. We receive gifts like this all the time, including earrings. So, and this one I'm wearing right now is from Oriflame, including wristwatches. In fact, I have a wristwatch that is on the way already. So we receive gifts like this all the time from the company just for shopping for our beauty and wellness products. So I invite you to join us. If you'd like to know more about Oriflame, let me know. I'm your girl, right? So just send me a message. I would love to guide you through getting registered and joining this beauty community. And if you have an Oriflame product that you've used before, or you would love to try out our Oriflame products, just send me a message. I would appreciate that opportunity to guide you through. So Oriflame is the right? It's a company that keeps giving and never stops giving. So, very thoughtful also. So it's the raining season. What better time to give us umbrellas, right? All right. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing video with me. I shall be rocking my bag as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye-bye.